Fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to have you back. Thanks for joining me today. So today we'll be doing 10 beautiful head wraps tutorial. I'm so excited. Well, for the first style, you have to part your hair into two sections, like two buns, and then if you have a rubber band or scrunchies, you can use it, and then go on to using your scarf to tie it like so, and then remove your rubber band or scrunchies and then fluff the hair very well, and then move on to the front section. Fold the one part of the scarf and then tie it like you're seeing. You can choose to do it any other way you feel really suits you. Feel free to just be creative and it will be really nice. Now this style is for those people that really want to rock their hair, let people see and turn their heads when they see their hair, you know what I'm saying. For the second style, it's almost similar with the first one. The only thing you need to do is to make sure you to fold the scarf very well to make it really small. Then go on to tie from the back to the front and just zhuzh it up and then take it back and tie. I hope you understand all the rants I'm doing, guys. I hope you understand. Just follow the video and then you get it. Guys, this is absolutely one of my faves. Like, I love the way my hair is, looking fresh. Style number 3. Well, this particular style is for people that love having their hair in front. So this style, you can just part two sections of the hair to the right and to the left, and then go on with your scarf, tie it to the back. Remember to part the back because it makes it really easy for you, because if you do not part it, it will be kind of hard for you to tie the scarf. So just tie something like this and then leave some, like a particular part of the scarf in front. Like, I love it. Do you love it too? Style number 4. Oh, this particular style is for church girls like myself. You want to work your hair to church, you want to show some hair, fluff some hair out. So just tie your scarf like so, leave about two sections at the front and then tie the scarf to the side. It gives it this beautiful look. Like, are you feeling it? Style number 5. Ooh, so this particular style is almost similar with style number 4, but this time you are going to do it differently. So while tying, just make sure one part of the scarf is longer than the other, so you can fold to the other part that is a bit short, and make sure you tie it to like one side. I really do not know how well to explain this, but I believe you can see it and you understand. Style number 6. So this particular one is another of my fave. So this time you're going to part your hair into two, half up, half down. Go on by using a rubber band to tie the part that is going up. Make sure you fold the rubber band twice, and then go on to using your scarf to tie it like so. It's going to give this fringy kind of vibe, and I like it. Style number 7, guys. I tell you, in this particular head wrap tutorial, I have several favorites because I enjoyed every moment. So this one is the easiest, the simplest. Just make sure you fold the head to one side. It could be your left or the right. Just make sure you make it in a particular side style that really suits you. I love it. So if you watched this far, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for staying tuned, and I believe you're really enjoying it. That's why you're still here. So yes, do subscribe to the channel, like, share to as many people you think will like it. This particular style is pretty much the easiest, the simplest style. It is rocked by everybody, but the difference between this one and every other one is the fact that it's giving more like a crown like look. Like, are you feeling it? Look at the size, so beautiful. Style number 9. Goodness. So this particular style is a kind of Zara. It's actually Zara style. Yeah, so you're going to fold the front, you're going to fold a particular part of the style. You could use paper, you can add paper to it, to the head wrap before folding, or you could use any other thing. So after folding the back, you're going to do like a donut at the back, like so. This particular style is my go-to almost every time. Style number 10. Yay, thank you so much for staying to the end. I love you. So this also is Zara. The difference between this and the previous style is you're doing it this way. You're making one part longer than the other, and then you're folding it to the front. Oh my god, it's looking so gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Thanks for watching.